I want you to be able to become a full-time influencer, not just scraping by, but actually making good money. And I am ready to get you on the path to making your first $100,000 as an influencer. Did you know that male content creators make 1.88 times more money than female content creators? And that doesn't even take into consideration race, gender expression, sexual orientation, ability, neurodivergence, or any of the other multitude of marginalized identities out there. And the number one culprit? Well, society, but also the influencer marketing world is incredibly opaque, and it's really the Wild West out here. Content creators are just naming their price, and no one knows how much anyone else is making or what the numbers even mean. And brands know that there really is no consistent ROI when it comes to investing in a content creator. One could sell 100 of your product, one could sell none, even though you paid both of them the same amount of money. And because of this, brands are a little spooked. They don't know what they're doing, and there's just frankly complete chaos out here, okay? And because of this lack of transparency and, society, what happens? Women and historically marginalized groups tend to undersell themselves, while mediocre white men tend to overshoot. And brands know that no one knows how much to actually charge, and they can take advantage of that fact sometimes, not all brands, sometimes, by actively paying marginalized people less because of their own inherent biases. Does this piss you off? Because it pisses me off, so I'm doing something about it. If you haven't seen me before, my name is 𝙂𝙀𝘼𝙍. I'm a lawyer and a content creator, and I'm now CEO and founder of Delusion Media, a coaching and consulting company here to empower content creators and get you to your first or your next $100,000. That's right, baby. If you're a woman, a person of color, a member of the LGBTQ community, any bisexuals out there, hey, if you're disabled, neurodivergent, or any other historically marginalized community, I want to get you out there wheeling and dealing and negotiating for what you are worth. Delusion Media has a number of resources for you, so listen up, all right? We've got free resources. This YouTube channel will be your place for weekly insight into the content creator industry, from YouTube basics to expanding your monetization beyond just brand deals and more. Delusionmedia.co, the website, will have a library full of resources, ebooks, and contract templates so that you can get more in-depth info and access to lawyer-drafted contracts to protect your rights. There will also be consulting with me, a lawyer, where we'll go through your brand contract line by line so you know what you're signing up for. Negotiate for what you're worth. Learn key marketing skills to stand out to brands. Find more pathways to monetize your content. Plus, we'll get into some more woo-woo stuff, about limiting beliefs that you have maybe, and how to absolutely crush imposter syndrome. On top of that, I will also be launching the 100K Club. It's a private group meant to find community within the content creation industry, which is a job that is incredibly isolating and makes you feel like you are screaming into the void half the time. Through the 100K Club, you'll be able to start talking to each other, finding other creators to collaborate with, which is a good strategy for growth, hint, hint, sharing big wins, asking hard questions. We'll have weekly Q&A sessions with me and 2 seminars every month on everything under the sun, from maintaining a healthy mindset to growth strategies to managing your content creation business and so much more. And those seminars will be archived, so when you join, you'll have access to all of the past sessions as well. I'm so excited to get to know you better and to create this new exciting community. This is all happening on February 1st, and I can't wait for you to see what I've been cooking up. Sign up now in the link down below to be the first to know.